Hi there, students. To violate, a verb. A violation, a noun, both countable and uncountable. Okay, so to violate means to break a law, an agreement, a principle. Something that should be treated with respect, to violate a code of ethics, to violate a ceasefire. Yeah, so it's to effectively to break the law, to break the code. You can also use this to violate, meaning to enter with force into a place or a situation where you're not wanted, where you don't have the right to be. So, for example, you could violate somebody's privacy. Yeah, the press were violating her privacy. You could violate the territorial waters of another nation. Yeah, and from this, going somewhere with force, which where you shouldn't be, you can also use this to mean to rape, to abuse sexually. Although I think this is rather formal, although you can use this metaphorically as well. Um, they they treated me so roughly that I felt violated. I felt as if I had been raped. You can use it metaphorically like that as well. Um, Many people say that when their homes are burgled, they feel that their house or their privacy has been violated. Okay, and then a violation. So this is a violation of our contract, a contravention, an infringement, an infraction, a transgression, a breach of a contract. Yes, so to violate the law, to disregard the law, to fail to show proper respect for something that should be treated in a holy way. So to violate the sanctity of a holy place. Yeah, to interrupt or to disturb. So to violate the peaceful atmosphere. Yeah, to interrupt, to disturb. Okay, so yeah, you can go to prison for breaking or violating the law. Yeah, you could violate a promise. Yeah, to not follow it. Um, okay, so this is a violation, a breach, an abuse of. To violate human rights. Yeah, this is a violation of human rights. You could violate somebody's privacy. Yeah, to invade, to infringe on, to disturb, to upset. Maybe you could violate somebody's grave where somebody has been buried, to desecrate, to defile, to profane. Yeah. Um, so this is sacrilegious. And then uh, a violation, yeah, an infringement of a law, yeah, the desecration of something or the interruption of something, a disturbance to something, yeah. Well, yeah, you could get a parking fine for a parking violation or a traffic violation. Okay, so effectively, this is like to breach a contract, to breach an agreement, not to follow a code of conduct. Okay, so to violate, violation. He violated the law. Six, informality. I think I would informal. I'd more normally use to break. I think when you're using this to talk about to violate a tomb, maybe 6.5, and then if you're using it as a sexual assault or rape, then this probably 6.5 in formality again. Then as to origin, this comes from Latin, from violare, to treat with violence, both mental and physical, which itself comes from this, strength, power, force, or violence. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Violation. Violate.